Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we are going to make banana snacks 3 ways. So I've got Kerala Nendra Param or Kerala banana here. We're going to make 3 different dishes out of it. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and like and share my videos. For the detailed ingredients list, please check out the description box. So let's start. So I'm using Kerala banana like I told you already. It's called Nendra Param and it's mostly available everywhere now. So we need 3 of those. We'll need sugar, elaichi powder or cardamom powder, a little bit of grated coconut, raisins, jaggery. I'm using jaggery powder. If you have the molded jaggery, then you can use that. And of course, we'll need some ghee. So let's start making the dishes. So for the first option, I'm taking 1 banana, cutting off the ends of the banana, and then we'll further cut it down into small pieces like this. I'm going to take a pressure cooker, add these bananas into this, add the jaggery powder. Decide on the jaggery quantity depending upon how ripe your banana is. Mine is not that ripe, so I'm adding more jaggery. Now I've added a little bit of water into the pressure cooker, a pinch of salt. Mix well. Close the pressure cooker and I'm going to place this on high heat and allow it to give out 1 whistle. So I'll be back. While that's cooking, let's move on to the next dish. Again, cut the ends of the banana. Score through the skin and remove it. Now, if this is the size, then just cut through the center. And then now, we are going to cut out thin slices of the banana. Like that. So I've got the slices here. For the second option of the banana, we'll need ghee and sugar. You can use a little bit of cardamom powder even to add a little more taste to the dish. So let's start. I've got a pan on fire on medium heat. I'll add about 1 tablespoon of ghee to this pan. And we'll just get it heated up nicely. Once it's hot, add the banana slices onto the pan. Don't make the slices too thin, then it will become difficult for you to remove it from the pan. Now we're going to roast the bananas like this. You want the bananas to crisp up a little. Once it's got a little bit of color and it's crisped up, I'm going to switch off the gas. You take a little bit of sugar and add it on top. And that's banana ghee roast, the second dish ready and done. For the third snack option, I've got grated coconut in here, to which I'm going to add a little bit of sugar and the cardamom powder, along with some raisins. Give it a nice mix. And that's ready. Keep it aside. And now for the third dish. Remove the ends and the skin. Now using a melon scooper, we're going to make a cavity in the banana by scooping out a little bit of it. The cavity, whatever you removed from the banana, you can just chop them finely. And keep it aside. I've added the scooped out pieces into the coconut mixture. And we're going to give it a nice mix. Just make sure it's mashed. That's ready. Take out the banana and stuff the cavity with the coconut mixture. Just press it down like that. You can make this rest of the bananas the same fashion. So let's start preparing this. We've got a pan back on fire. In goes a tablespoon of ghee. Once it's hot, add the stuffed banana onto the pan. We need to brown the banana on both sides. So just keep moving it like that. I'm going to turn around the banana. The banana is browned on both sides and it's ready to be plated. So in here I've got the pressure cooked bananas with the jaggery water. So we'll move on to the next step for this dish. Use the same pan with the leftover ghee. I'll just transfer the bananas. And the jaggery water. Now we're going to just caramelize this. Stay a little away from the pan because this is going to boil up. I'm going to cook the jaggery water until it reduces and it starts coating the bananas. If you don't like the skin on, you can just remove it off at this stage. But I'd suggest you leave it on until you are ready to eat it. You can see the jaggery has reduced and it's coating the bananas well now. Let it reduce really well and thicken. At this stage, you can switch it off. So that's banana snacks 3 ways. There's ghee roasted banana, stuffed banana, and jaggery coated banana. Do try this as an evening snack for your kids just before they are about to go to play, as this will give them energy. I've got lots of kid snack recipes on my channel. Do check out the playlist. I'll put it up in a card over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.